Surprising facts about Japan. 1. Japanese food culture. Eat quietly but drink noodles noisily. There are some interesting rules to consider when eating in Japan. It is a common habit to be quiet while eating in restaurants, but it is considered the opposite to drink loudly while eating ramen or soba. This is a sign that the food is hot and delicious. Also, it is not very welcome to eat something while walking on the street in Japan. Try to eat your meal sitting down or in a restaurant. 2nd, street culture. It is hard to find a trash can in Japan. Japan is an incredibly clean country, but interestingly, it is almost impossible to find a trash can on the streets. People carry their trash with them and throw it away at home or in special waste bins. If you eat something on the street, you will need to carry your trash in your bag. 3. Transportation culture. Talking on the subway in Japan is like forbidden. One of the first things you will notice when using public transportation in Japan is the silence. People on trains and subways either read books, look at their phones, or sleep, but definitely do not talk loudly. Talking on the phone is also frowned upon. There are even special, quiet sections in some carriages. 4. Security culture. Lost items always return to their owners. Japan is one of the safest countries in the world. If you forget your bag, wallet, or phone somewhere, you will most likely find it untouched. In fact, people in Japan even hand over the money they drop to the police, so you can easily get your lost items back from police stations. 5. Accommodation culture. Capsule hotels are small but very comfortable. Hotels in Japan are usually small, but they are technologically advanced and organized. If you want to have a different experience, capsule hotels are just for you. Staying in these small, comfortable, and affordable hotels is one of the experiences you should have in Japan. 6. Traditions. Take your shoes off when entering temples. Cleanliness is very important in Japanese culture. You are expected to take your shoes off when entering traditional temples. Some restaurants and ryokan traditional Japanese hotels also have the same rule. Don't forget to put on the slippers given to you after taking your shoes off. Please write your experiences in the comments. And don't forget to follow me for more travel tips and tricks.